Hello, welcome to all students. So this is Gopal. I'm a faculty and lecturer at AGSoft Solution, Warangal City. So I'm giving a small introduction to research introduction. I'm also a scholar at Vinayaka Mission Research University, MPhil Computer Science. I completed my MPhil Computer Science from Vinayaka Mission recently. So I have experience lecturing in different affiliated colleges to Kakati University, Warangal. I am founded this AGSoft Solutions for education, for the good education, quality education in computer science. So I am giving the small introduction to computer science and computer and research oriented information. So research introduction. So research can be defined as a search for knowledge or any systematic investigation to establish facts. The primary purpose of the applied research is discovering, interpreting and the development of methods and systems for the advancement of human knowledge on wide variety of scientific matters of the world and the universe. Research can use the scientific method, but need to be so. So scientific methods. So scientific research relies on the application of the scientific method. A hypothesis of curiosity, the research provides scientific information and theories of the explanation of the nature of the properties of the world around us. It makes practice applications to possible scientific research in the founded by public authorities, by charitable organizations or the private groups, including many companies. Scientific research can be subdivided into different classifications according to their academic and application disciplines. So scientific application we can there are different type of scientific approaches. We can collect the different type of information from either it may be surveys. Using surveys we can collect the different type of information collected from surveys, and we collect using that collected information can be used for analyze the data, can be conclude to different conclusion on depending upon this different type of data. So what is this historic research embedded in the scientific method? So what is the scientific research actually? Scientific research. Main article, scientific method. Generally, research is understood the follow of certain structure process through step to order may be vary depending on the subject matter of researcher. The following steps are usually part of the most formal research, both basic and applied. So formation of the topic. Hypothesis, conceptual definitions, operational definition, gathering of the data, analyzing of the data, test, revising of hypothesis, conclusion, iteration of the necessary. So a common misunderstanding that by method, hypothesis is a proven or observing the outcome of the experiment. If outcome is inconsistent with the hypothesis, the experiment is said to be support hypothesis. The careful be constant with the observation. In this sense, hypothesis can be never be proven, becoming widely throughout the true of, but this is not the same as the having been proven. A useful hypothesis allows prediction, and within the accuracy observation improves with the time. A hypothesis may no longer provide an accurate prediction. In this case, new hypothesis will arise the challenge of the old, and to the extent that new hypothesis make more accurate prediction than old, the new will support it. So what is the hypothesis means? Collecting the information from different source. Using data we can collect, that can be data can be collected, the data can be collected, that can be implemented per research oriented information. So what is this research oriented information means? So research method. One is exploratory research, which structure and identification of the new problems. Construction research, which develops solution to problem. Empirical research, which tests the feasibility of solution using empirical evidence. Research can also into the distinct types, primary research or secondary research. So in social sciences, later in the discipline, the following two research methods applied depending on the properties that are subject to objective of the research: quantitative research and quantitative research.